reducing the treatment cost is the most important approach.
Cancer is still one of the biggest health problems in the world.
Right now, as of today, the cancer treatment is costing lakhs of rupees.
ब्लड टेस्ट आया, ब्लड टेस्ट से पता चला कि हमारे बच्चे को ब्लड कैंसर है।
Poor people will simply die, they can't afford. See, if I have a headache, I can take a Dolo 650 and it will cost me maybe 2 rupees. But if it is cancer, takes, life out of the bank. Vaidehi, MSc Biotechnology student who joined our company, Biotechnica, as a fresher 2 months ago. She was very happy. She got a job in Biotechnica's CRO and she was working on genomics. One fine day, I got a chance to talk to her and she told me the motivation behind it. And the motivation was her father. 2 months fast forward, Vaidehi had to leave her job. You know the reason? Her father is no longer in this world. The reason is her father was suffering from cancer. Today, as I stand in front of you, as I sit in front of you, more than 16 to 17% of India's population is silently going to suffer because of cancer. And it's not just India, globally. 1 out of 6 person globally is going to be impacted by one or the other kind of cancer. So you can save lives and of course create an impact and of course earn a lot of money. Cancer Genomics is the word which you are looking for. Vaidehi is now even more determined to come back and join us in her research on cancer genomics. But let me tell you what really has happened with Vaidehi. She lost her father just a few days ago. Her family has a loan of 39 lakhs, home loan. And now the bank is going to seize that property. Of course, father is no longer there. There's no earning member. And Vaidehi has just got started with her career. You can imagine what kind of devastation cancer brings if it happens to the head of the family. For that matter, anybody in the family. It creates havoc, devastation, nightmare, whatnot. So if you decide today to watch this video for the next 10 minutes, you are possibly going to change lives of multiple people with the work which you'll do. Money will become a byproduct of what you will do, but you will save lives of so many fathers and mothers out there, so many parents who will silently suffer from cancer and they will not know that yes, there was a probability that they could get treated. Today also, as we look around, we can proudly say that we all are born lucky because we are living in the century of biology. A century where AI is now meeting genomics. And that is where if you invest your time, money, effort in learning AI in genomics, AI in cancer genomics, you can actually not just save lives, you can earn a lot of money. Now, like I said, if 16% of the population as of today is going to suffer from cancer in any or other format, in any other form, and that in their lifetime, that means a lot of companies are going to come in and are already coming in India as well as abroad, where you can make a lot of money and do a lot of research. The global genomics cancer care market as we speak is right now, as of 2026, is at $18.6 billion. And it is going to grow to $72.87 billion in the next 7 years. So that means by 2031, we are going to see the entire cancer genomics, AI in cancer genomics market explode by 100%. That means double. The market will be double in the next 7 years. So if you are getting started AI in cancer genomics today as a beginner, 7 years from today, you will be a experienced senior scientist in cancer research, in AI in genomics and cancer research. So whether you are a fresh graduate, a working professional, or someone who's looking to change their path, or someone who wants to restart their career, AI is giving you a golden chance. You can easily say to the recruiter, I got interested in AI, so I pursued this course and now here I am to become a cancer researcher. Now, you'll be amazed to know how many companies are existing as of today in cancer research, AI in cancer research, and the salaries they're giving is crazy. It starts at 1,20,000 rupees, goes up to 4 lakh rupees per month. And of course, you get to do what you love to do. Cancer genomics is simply put reading the DNA, right? So we are reading the DNA, the blueprint of cancer cell, and then we are understanding why exactly cancer is happening and how to stop it at the molecular level. Now, from one size fits all treatment which we have today to a personalized cancer care treatment using your DNA data, this is where you will come into picture. There are 4 ways you can participate in cancer research, AI in cancer research, AI in cancer genomics. The first would be in diagnostics. So if you can diagnose cancer early, you can definitely fix it. That's number 1. Number 2, if you can tailor make the total treatment regimen according to the cancer profiling, which we have done using genomics, definitely we can save lives, right? The third would be post-treatment cancer care, which is very important. We all know cancer is malignant. It can keep coming back. So if it keeps coming back, that means post-treatment analysis, scrutiny is very, very important, right? So that is where your AI will come into picture, AI in cancer care post the treatment, right? And the fourth approach obviously will be profiling all of the different types of cancer, how it is happening, creating a database or designing the algorithm, right? So you can get in even before anybody has thought about it. This is where I always say, if you invest in a career which is going to grow and you have solid proof of that, then definitely your career will grow exponentially. There is a staggering proof as of today. 23.6% annual growth we are seeing in this market. And that means in the next 7 years, it is going to explode to double of what it is today, right? $72.7 billion. That will be the cancer care market. The more the number of patients, the more the number of companies, the more the demand of cancer genomics professionals, AI in cancer genomics research professionals. And this is where a lot can be done. A lot of real world impact can be created by you. Early cancer detection is one approach. Predicting cancer recurrence is another approach. Personalized drug selection is another approach. Reducing the treatment cost is the most important approach. Right now, as of today, the cancer treatment is costing lakhs of rupees. Poor people will simply die. They can't afford, right? See, if I have a headache, I can take a Dolo 650 and it will cost me maybe 2 rupees. But if it is cancer, takes, life out of the bank. We can't be breaking the bank because one person in the family got cancer. So that is where AI can be used to reduce the cost of cancer treatment also. Now, let's look at the explosive career growth you can have. So in the United States, which is the #1 market as of today, where a lot of research and a lot of money is being poured into the cancer research, cancer researchers are earning in anywhere between $1,29,000 to $1,72,000. That's the average. Genomic medicine specialists are earning in between $1,47,000 to $2,93,500. And the top-notch guys are making $400,000 per month. Now, the clinical cancer genomics roles are getting you a $1,34,000 salary. All of this is huge. Now, let's look at the Europe and the other developed markets. In UK, we're looking at 1,72,000 GBP, that is pounds, to 1,99,000 pounds. In Germany, it is 1,97,000 euros to 2,17,000 euros per month. Australia is giving 4,14,000 Australian dollars to 4,85,000 Australian dollars. That's a huge amount of money which is being poured into cancer research. Per cancer researcher salary, I told you. If these aren't just doctor salary, these are researcher salary, right? So let's look at the Indian scenario now. What is happening in India? So in India, genomics professionals are getting anywhere between 21 lakhs to 42 lakhs rupees per year. Then genomics data scientists earning in anywhere between 9 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. And then it is quickly, after 2 to 3 years of experience, jumping to 25 lakhs per annum. Bioinformatics professionals with AI/ML skills are earning from 1,20,000 rupees per month to 2 lakh rupees per month. Big data analytics specialist in genomics is earning anywhere in between 1,80,000 rupees and above. Now, that is where the career progression is huge. You get started today, 1 to 2 years, you are at 10 lakhs. Mid-level, 3 to 5 years, you are at 18 lakhs. 5 to 10 years, you are at 40 lakhs. And the leadership role, that is where you get 50 lakhs plus. Imagine the world where research pays you that high. It was never possible before. But what sits inside the cancer DNA is bringing you all of that. And you know what is that? Terabytes of data. Yes. Terabytes of data which gets generated from each cancer cell genome. Analyzing that, developing an algorithm, finding a solution, finding the cure. This is where all the money will go in. And top tier companies are hiring. Let's look at some global companies. You have 10x Genomics, one of the biggest revolutionary single cell sequencing company. Salary starts at $1,15,000 to $1,87,000. Illumina, Tempus AI, Foundation Medicine, Guardant Health. All of these are amazing top-notch genomics companies in AI in cancer genomics. Then in pharma and biotech, you have Moderna, Regeneron, Takeda, and AbbVie. Now all of these are US companies, right? Then if you go for US institutes which are actively doing research, you have MD Anderson Cancer Center. You have Memorial Sloan Kettering. You have Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center and Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. These are the top 4 cancer institutions where you can get a job. But let's look at the Indian ecosystem now. What's happening in India? India is exploding with diagnostic growth. Cancer care diagnostics, AI in genomics diagnostics is growing. Number 1 player here is MedGenome. And MedGenome has hired so many of our students. MedGenome is growing at a rate at which even investors can't keep up. 1,300 employees, 200 plus scientific experts, serving 600 locations in India and 40 countries. That's MedGenome. Largest cap accredited genomics lab in South Asia. They have raised $47.5 million and recently they have acquired multiple diagnostic companies. That means that's a number 1 destination for you in India, and MedGenome exclusively hires from Biotechnology. So just to help you, we are starting an AI in genomics cancer research training program, followed by internship and project at Biotechnology, followed by placements in companies like MedGenome. So this particular course is starting in March. Details are given in the comment section. You can click and learn more about it. And if you want to chat with me and our team members, just click on the WhatsApp link which is given over there and our team will talk to you. They'll guide you on how you can design your career in cancer. If you can design your career in cancer today, you're going to be a senior scientist in cancer tomorrow. And it all begins with the revolutionary AI technology which is getting inside cancer genomics. Now let's look at other companies which are hiring in India. You have Strand Life Sciences, another clinical genomics and bioinformatics leader. We have Oncosystem Diagnostics in Bangalore. We have 4Base Care, another funded company which is specializing in precision medicine, precision oncology with NGS testing and digital health platform. Then we have Genotypic Technology, one of the largest NGS research, testing and digital health platform. Then we have Map My Genome and Xcode Life Sciences in Chennai, which is working on pharmacogenomics. India is booming. Why? Because the biotech sector is very smart in India. They don't try to do new things. They try to copy what works in US and Europe and replicate in India. They know cancer care is going to explode. So you will see a lot of NGS companies, genomics companies, AI in cancer care companies. Some of them which I just told you are aggressively hiring on Biotechnology's platform. So if you make a career here, definitely you can get it. Now, coming to the government jobs, by the way, guys, DST, DBT, BIRAC, CSIR, all of them are actively hiring AI scientists. That is where comes the next question. What will be the future scope in the next 10 years? Market is going to explode. AI-driven immuno-oncology initiatives has been launched already by several government organizations. Global genomics market is going to explode to $198 billion by 2035. $198. Yes, you heard me right. Now, every pharmaceutical company is investing in cancer genomics because 16% of the population is going to get cancer. That's staggering. Just like how diabetes was 10 years ago, today cancer is. The technology convergence is another factor. AI, genomics, cloud computing, quantum computing coming together. Perfect combination. AI is slashing the drug discovery rates. Single cell sequencing is booming and becoming a standard. CRISPR gene editing is another new revolution, and on the top of it, precision medicine is going mainstream. Doctors no longer want to give one-size-fits-all medicine to all of you. That is where insurance companies are starting to cover genomic testing. Hospitals are building their inbuilt genomic medicine departments. Liquid biopsies is replacing invasive procedures, and companies are investing in new cancer drugs. Emerging companies in startups in Bangalore, I'll tell you, there's so many crazy companies working on so many things that sometimes I forget to count even then. There are more than 50 startups right now in Bangalore working on this. Now, India specific, like I said, 1.4 billion people. So please calculate 16% of 1.4 billion people as of today. How many people are going to get cancer? That means if you get into cancer research, so many people can be saved. So many Vaidehis will not lose their father to cancer because you decided to pursue. So there's a great motive for all of you. There is a great opportunity for all of you, and AI is a conversation starter and a game changer. Now, how do you future-proof your career? First thing, learn AI in Cancer Genomics, details in the description. AI and genomics are two technologies which are coming to marry together, and there is where 64% of AI in Cancer Genomics companies are actively hiring, okay? And they're not getting talent. Jobs in Cancer Genomics will not get automated. AI will always come and assist. There is a lot of diagnostics demand, research demand, biotech and pharma demand for cancer genomics researchers. Multiple career pathways can be designed. Bioinformatics analyst, genomics data scientist, clinical genomics specialist, computational biologist, product managers, regulatory affairs, business development guys can come into picture. And the impact is huge. You save lives, you become a part of a growing organization, you become part of the growing industry, and you keep growing, your salary keeps growing. 6 years from today, you will come down below this video and thank me because I alerted you about the potential growth of Cancer Genomics. The best part is yet to come. Cancer Genomics, once you have learned, this is a global skill. So it's not that you learned it in India, you can't, go abroad. The whole world is your canvas. So you can gain experience in a startup in India and get into 10x Genomics, Illumina, Imagine, Moderna, Regeneron. That is where you can get in, right? So remote work opportunities are also coming. So, because Cancer Genomics work from home jobs also is possible because you're analyzing data, by the way. So the skill gap is huge, demand is huge, timing is everything, right? Like I have always told you, if I had invested 100 rupees in Infosys share in 1990, I would have been a billionaire today. The same way, if you invest in this skill set, you are going to be a top-notch cancer researcher. And on the top of it, the AI advantage helps you get started faster. So the experienced guys are also struggling and you have a learning ability. So data explosion is going to drive the demand. More number of patients is going to drive the demand. The clinical applications of AI is going to drive the demand. Real world AI impact is now attracting investors to put in more money. And there is a premium. That is, not everybody knows AI, okay? And that is why we are here to train you on AI in Cancer Genomics. So what are you looking for? What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description. It's time to focus on the next frontier of science where AI meets Cancer Genomics and you become a game changer scientist of the world. With these thoughts, I look forward to support from all of you because you are going to save so many Vaidehis from the disaster they faced in their personal life because cancer took away their father. I don't want that to happen to anyone. So go ahead, pursue Cancer Genomics, AI in Cancer Genomics. All the best.